guys, today is hair wash day. I've carried this hair for close to 3 weeks now, and the scratching I'm getting, the itching from this my hair, it's killing me. So I said, okay, let me wash my hair. I was supposed to wash it last week, but because I wanted the hair to look still okay for my girlfriend's daughter's birthday that we attended yesterday, I wanted the hair to look fresh, because as soon as I wash my hair, my natural hairs are going to like pop out a little. So I was like, okay, just keep the hair for some days, and then after the party you wash your hair. So now I'm going to wash my hair today. Join me, let's wash my hair. Hair wash day, hair wash day. Hey. Yesterday I almost died from scratching my hair. Yesterday it was killing me. This hair was killing me yesterday. My goodness God. Yesterday was a bomb. It was a bomb yesterday. So today, I'm so happy. I'm going to be washing my hair today. These are the things I'm going to be applying to my hair. Not too much. And these things I'm going to be applying, not too much. Anyways, put everything. We go put everything for this hair. We go apply everything. This hair, I said this year don't finish. I said this year, stroke next year, my hair must grow to my bum bum. My hair must grow to my boot length. Boot length or nothing. Alright guys, so let's dive into the video, okay? So these are the things I'm going to be using for my hair, okay? This one is the hairspray after washing. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to be doing. This is the mousse. I'm going to be applying some hair oil, shampoo that I'm going to be using. Shampoo, okay? So don't get it twisted, okay? Most of the things here, they are shampoo. So I have like 2 shampoo or 3 shampoo in here, then hair oil. All right? So let's go. Let's go. So this is rosemary shampoo, okay? The rosemary shampoo. So I'm going to apply it to my dry scalp first, to give it some moisture, like to give it some moisturize, before I'll pour water on my hair. So this is it. This is how I'm going to do it. Don't worry, don't stingy your shampoo. Don't stingy your shampoo, okay? It's a hair growth shampoo, okay? And I'm going to be using different ones. I'm going to be using, I think, three products of shampoo, okay? I'll be using 3 products of shampoo on my hair. I like using the Nivea, no, is it Nivea? Dove. I love using Dove shampoo to wash my hair. Like I told most of you, some of my clients, when they ask me, what do you use for your hair? What shampoo do you use? I tell them the shampoo I use for bathing, I use it for also washing my hair, because it's also very good for my hair. So you can use it. They have the shoulder, hair and shoulder, or something, hair and, I think hair and body shampoo or something. But this one, I think is body shampoo, but I just love using it for my hair because I like the smell of it on my hair when I'm done washing my hair. So this is it. And now we are going to get into the bathtub, okay, and wash my hair. Alright? But first, I'm going to apply these 2. I'm going to reuse them. On my hair, okay? Oh God, the feeling is so sweet. Let me wash my hair. Jesus. So this is it, okay?